Hi, I'm Elenio, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Virtual Canary Maintenance program for Azure Database for MySQL. This new feature is designed to give you early access to maintenance updates, allowing you to proactively validate your workloads against upcoming Azure MySQL features. It's perfect for non-production environments and help you stay ahead of change while minimum risks. Let me explain how Virtual Canary fits into the life cycle of new Azure MySQL version. So phase one, new servers. When a new minor version of Azure MySQL is released, it is immediately deployed to newly created servers. This ensures that all new deployments start with the latest improvements, bug fix, and features. However, at this stage, only new servers are affected. Existing servers remains on their current versions. And phase two, Virtual Canary. Shortly after the new version is made available to existing servers in Virtual Canary. Unlike routine maintenance, this phase doesn't follow the usual 30 days gap, allowing for early access to updates. Customers can test their workloads in a controlled environment, provide feedback, and opt in or opt out very easily. This phase is especially ideal for test environments or burstable school servers, where early adoption poses minimum risk. Phase 3, routine maintenance. Finally, the updates roll out broadly during routine maintenance cycles. This follows the standard Azure policies, including a minimum 30 days gap and a 7 days notification period. By this time, updates have already been validated extensively through Virtual Canary, ensuring stability and reliability for production servers. How to use Virtual Canary. So first, you need to have the latest version of Azure CLI installed on your system, and then you can open your Azure CLI command console and try first log into your Azure account. Then you can check your enrollment status by running the AZ MySQL Flexible Server show and query the maintenance policy field. If it returns virtual canary, then it means your server has enrolled into the virtual canary. If it returns regular, then it means your server will follow the routine maintenance policy. If you have server want to opt in the Azure virtual canary, you can simply update your server's maintenance policy patch strategy field by running the AZ MySQL flexible server update command and set up that value to virtual canary. And the same thing can be done if you want to opt out your virtual canary engagement. So you can update your maintenance policy patch strategy field by running the AZ MySQL flexible server update CLI command with the value of regular. So that's all for the Azure MySQL virtual canary features. Thanks for watching.